Okay, so inside the chapter number 2, we will learn about the concept of work and energy. Okay, because in our day-to-day life, we heard that the word of work and energy, because we are totally surrounded by, we are totally covered by the concept or a word of work and energy. Okay, without work and without energy, we cannot survive in the universe. Okay, so let us start the chapter that is work and energy. So what is meant by work and what is meant by energy? And how we can define that we did that much amount of work, we gain that much amount of energy. Okay, so that point, that topic and that concept we will try to focus and we will try to learn inside the chapter number 2. Okay, so can you tell me anyone what is mean by work? कोणी सांगू शकतं का वर्क म्हणजे काय? Can anyone tell me about what is meant by work? Because you already learn. What is meant by work? Can you tell me anyone? Okay, leave it. Work. If we talk about work, so work is the word or work is the some amount of force we apply to the particular object, and that object change the position from one position to another position. So that whatever amount of displacement was happening, that is the work. Okay, जर एखादी वस्तू आहे, ती वस्तू आपण एका ठिकाणावर वरून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी उचलून नेली किंवा तिला आपण पुश केलं, ढकललं. ओके, work is equal to force into displacement. That is the simple formula. Okay, and that you already studied inside the physics subject in the year of 11th or maybe a 12th. ओके, शिकले आहात का तुम्ही वर्क अँड एनर्जी 11वी 12वी मध्ये? शिकले आहात का 11वी 12वी मध्ये वर्क अँड एनर्जी? येस और नो? Say something inside the chat box. ओके फाईन, म्हणजे तुम्हाला या गोष्टी वर्गामध्ये झालेल्या आहेत. ओके, 11वीला किंवा 12वीला वर्क अँड एनर्जी हे कन्सेप्ट किंवा हे टॉपिक ऑलरेडी झालेलं आहे. बट फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दी टॉपिक ऑफ वर्क अँड एनर्जी वी विल ट्राय टू लर्न. ओके, सो let us start the work and energy chapter. So the scientific definition of work is different in different direction. Okay, from its ordinary meaning. It means this, if we talk about the work, so that definition was routinely changed in our day-to-day life meaning. Okay, so because if we push this object, okay, and that object change their position, okay, because we are applying some amount of force. आपण एखादी वस्तू आहे त्याला फोर्स अप्लाय करतोय. फोर्स वी कॅन मेजर इन टर्म्स ऑफ न्यूटन. ओके, सो इफ वी अप्लाय सम अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स, okay, and that object have changed their position from one position to another position. Okay, position change means the distance change, the displacement change. Okay, so that is nothing but a work. That's why the scientific definition of work is in different direction from its regularly meaning or ordinary meaning. Okay, so the definition of work in a physics tells its connection to energy. Okay, because whenever we push the object, whenever we push the system, or whenever we keep the object, okay, at that time we are applying force as well as we are applying energy also. ओके, आपण एखादी वस्तू उचलतोय, सपोज ही बॉटल आहे, ही बॉटल मी आता टेबल वरनं वरती उचलली, सपोज इन दिस वे. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल अप्लाय, we are applying the force from downward side to upward side. Okay, I am applying the force from downward side to upward side. Okay, and कशामुळे मी ती बॉटल उचलू शकलो, because of the energy, we are applying some amount of energy to push the bottle in upward side. Okay, but the initial position is the table. त्या बॉटलची इनिशियल पोझिशन काय होती, टेबल होता. ओके, टेबल हा त्याच्या इनिशियल पोझिशन होता, आणि ती बॉटल वरती उचलली आपण, वी पिक द बॉटल इन अपवर्ड साइड. इट मीन्स द बॉटल has changed their initial position. Okay, and initial position to final position आपण बॉटल इथपर्यंत वरती नेली. इट मीन्स that particular distance the displacements are changed. Okay, that displacements are changed. Okay, it means if we apply some amount of force to that particular bottle, if we apply some amount of force to that particular bottle, and at the same time the bottle was picked to the upward side. Okay, at the same time the distance was changed or displacement was changed, that is nothing but a work. Okay, so in the mathematical way we can say that the work is equal to force into displacement. Okay, so that's why the word said the definition of work in a physics tells its connection to energy. Whenever work is done, energy is transferred. Okay, आता आपण काहीतरी, suppose let us consider the example. Okay, let us consider one example here inside the picture. What that particular persons are doing, काय करतोय तो व्यक्ती, काय करतोय सांगा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. टेल मी समथिंग, which what that particular persons are doing. काय करतोय तो व्यक्ती, काय करतोय तो व्यक्ती, सांगा पटकन. मंजुषा, मंजुश्री ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट, वैष्णवी राईट, तृप्ती, साक्षी. ओके फाईन, ग्रेट, तुम्हाला समजलं म्हणजे. ओके, सो देर इज वन इन्क्लाइंड प्लेन और इन्क्लाइंड सरफेस. ओके, एक चढाव असलेला सरफेस आहे तिथे. ओके फाईन, आणि त्या चढाव असलेल्या सरफेस वरती he did not apply the large amount of force. Okay, because त्या बॉक्सचे वजन जर 100 किलो असेल आणि त्या व्यक्तीचे वजन जर 70 किलो असेल, सो ही कॅन नॉट पुश दॅट पर्टिक्युलर बॉक्स. ओके, अँड द पाथ इज ऑल्सो इन इन्क्लाइंड ऑर्डर. तो पाथ जो आहे, तो रस्ता जो आहे हा चढत्या क्रमने आहे. ओके, अँड ड्यू टू दॅट रिझन he pushed that particular box. Okay, and at the same time what will happen, he pushed the particular box. It means he applied the force. It means he applied the force in this way. Okay, so that what will happen, that box was changed their displacement. Okay, and if we apply the force to that particular object and that object change their position, so you can say that the work is done. Okay, जर एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्टने त्याची रेस्ट पोझिशन चेंज करून दुसऱ्या पोझिशन वरती गेला, आणि कधी गेला, जर तुम्ही फोर्स अप्लाय केला तर समजा की वर्क डन झालेला आहे. ओके, इट मीन्स द वर्क इज डन. So that's why work can also possible. Okay, work can also possible, or we can say that the work can also possibly define as the transfer of energy. Okay, it means त्या बॉक्सला किंवा त्या ऑब्जेक्टला आपण काहीतरी अप्लाय केलं, फोर्स अप्लाय केला, सो आपली जी काही एनर्जी असेल, इनिशियल एनर्जी, ओके, तर ती इनिशियल एनर्जी आपण त्या बॉक्सला अप्लाय केली, त्यामुळे इट मीन्स द एनर्जी वॉज ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी टू दॅट बॉक्स. Okay, it means work can also possibly define the transfer of energy from one position to another position, from one medium to another medium, from one location to another location. Okay, so in physics point of view, two objects, the work done is defined as the transfer of energy from the first object to the second object. Okay, the transfer of energy from first object to the second object. Let us assume that we are the first object and box is the second object. Okay, let us consider that we are the first object and box is the second object. या केस मध्ये काय होते, we are applying the force to that particular box. Okay, it means the energy was transfer from my body to that object, my body to that box. Okay, so that's why energy means what, we can also say the energy, the capacity to do work. Okay, energy म्हणजे काय की the capacity to do work. energy म्हणजे कॅपॅसिटी, त्याची काहीतरी कॅपॅसिटी असेल वर्क करण्याची, that is nothing but a energy. Okay, so I hope that you might be understand this example. Now, work is done only when constant force is applied on the object. Okay, if the stationary wall, suppose in your hometown or in your home there are multiple walls are present. Okay, तुमच्या घरी भिंत असतील, 4-5 भिंत असतील. Okay, and at the same time तुम्ही ती भिंतला पुश करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, काय होईल बरं? ती भिंत जी आहे की तिची जागा बदलेल ना, बरोबर की नाही? ती वॉल चेंज देअर पोझिशन, राईट और रॉंग? बरोबर ना? राईट और रॉंग? जागा बदलेल ना भिंतला जर तुम्ही ढकललं तर. ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट. तृप्ती, वर्षा, दिव्या, वैष्णवी, प्राजक्ता, बरोबर म्हणताय तुम्ही. रॉंग. Okay, whatever amount of force you apply, the initial position of that particular wall does not change their position, does not change their displacement. It means if you push the wall, the displacement does not change. It means work is equal to force into displacement. And if suppose you are trying to do some work to push the wall, तुम्ही जर काहीतरी वर्क करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहात आणि तुम्ही ते भिंतला पुश करताय, but if you apply the force at approximately around 100 Newton, okay, तुम्ही जर फोर्स 100 न्यूटन ही अप्लाय केला, but into displacement, but ती भिंत त्याची पोझिशन चेंज होत नाहीये, कितीही एनर्जी तुम्ही वाया घाला, but the displacement does not change. It means 100 Newton into 0 displacement means 100 into 0 किती होतात? 100 गुणिले 0 किती होतात? ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट मंजुश्री. वर्षा, प्राजक्ता बरोबर आहे. इट मीन्स दी वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज वर्क डन काहीच झालं नाही, तुम्ही काहीच कार्य केलं नाही. वर्क म्हणजे कार्य. ओके, सो in that case work is done only when a constant force is applied and an object cause the object to move the same direction as a force applied. ओके, तुम्ही ज्या डायरेक्शनला कॉन्स्टंट फोर्स अप्लाय केला एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्टला, त्या केसमध्ये ऑब्जेक्ट मूव्ह होतो, चेंज होतो, त्याचे डायरेक्शन किंवा त्याचे पोझिशन चेंज करतो. कोणत्या डायरेक्शनला? ज्या डायरेक्शनला तुम्ही फोर्स अप्लाय करत आहात. दॅट इज नथिंग बट ए वर्क इज डन. ओके, समजलं का इथपर्यंत? जे मी काही आता एक्सप्लेन केलं ते समजलं इथपर्यंत? Okay, great. So let's move towards the next slide. Okay, so let's took one more example. Let us consider that one of the criminal is planning to break a wall. Okay, एखादा क्रिमिनल असेल जेलमध्ये आणि तो प्लॅन करतोय की मला पळून जायचं जेलमधून. ओके, नाउ दी लुक इट हिअर, हु इज डुईंग मोर वर्क? देर इज टू पिक्चर. I have make their two pictures. I have catch their two pictures, and picture A, one of the criminal are trying to push the wall. ओके, आणि त्या केसमध्ये तो खूप 200 न्यूटन एनर्जी 200 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाय करतोय त्या भिंतला. ओके, बिकॉज तो विचार करतोय की मी जर भिंतला ढकललं तर भिंत पडेल किंवा भिंत त्याच्या डिस्प्लेसमेंट चेंज करेल, म्हणून मला पळून जाता येईल. ओके, नाउ ही इज ट्राइंग इन दिस वे. ओके, and in second figure, the common man, the common human being is trying to push a box. Okay, and he apply the some amount of force. Okay, at that time that heavy box are change their distance, are change their displacement. Okay, so here my question is that who is doing more work, the picture A or picture B? सांगा बरं, कोण जास्त वर्क डन करतंय, कोण जास्त वर्क, हु इज डुईंग मोर वर्क, कोण जास्त कार्य करतंय? ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट, ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट. मंजुश्री, प्राजक्ता, दिव्या, तुम्ही शेटे, साक्षी, सुवर्णा, सुपेकर, तुम्ही जे उत्तर देतायत दॅट इज ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट. बिकॉज according to my previous slide, if the displacement does not change, from one position to other position, it means work done is zero. Okay, whatever amount of force you apply, किती फोर्स तुम्ही त्याला अप्लाय केला आणि जर त्याचे डिस्प्लेसमेंट चेंज नाही झालं तर समजा की वर्क डन इज झिरो. ओके, so here in second picture B, the work done is happen, work done is possible because if that person is apply the force, the displacement was changed, the box was changed from initial position to other position. Okay, so the definition of work is the measurement of energy transfer that takes place when an object is displaced by an external force applied in the direction of the displacement. Okay, so work is defined as work is the system, is the measurement of energy transfer that takes place when an object is displaced. Object is displaced from one position to another position. Okay, object is displaced by an external force applied in the direction of displacement. External force means what? Whatever we are applying the force, whatever the system applying the force, and in that direction where the force are applying, and that particular direction is displacement is changed, that is the work. Okay, so in simple way I would like to give one example is that we just imagine that when we kick the football, okay, there is one stadium and there is long surface area are present and there is one ground. Okay, and particular football are placed onto that surface. Okay, football ठेवलेला आहे and when we kick a football, आपण फुटबॉलला किक मारतोय. ओके, सो इट मीन्स that we are exerting an external force called a capital F. ओके, रेस्ट पोझिशन वरती फुटबॉल होता आणि त्याला आपण किक मारतोय आणि त्या किक मारतोय म्हणजे आपल्या पायाच्या माध्यमातून त्याला फोर्स अप्लाय करतोय. ओके, विच इज डिनोटेड बाय कॅपिटल F, which is denoted by capital F. Okay, and due to this force, due to the kick, due to the force, the ball moves to the certain distance. Okay, ball achieved some amount of distance. Ball, particular football covers some amount of distance. Okay, and this disposition of ball from position A to B is known as displacement. Okay, एका position A position वरनं B position वरती ball गेला, it means some amount of distance covered, some amount of displacement covered. Okay, and displacement is denoted by small d. Okay, and whatever amount of force we apply by using our foot, by आपल्या पायाने ज्या फोर्स आपण अप्लाय केला, that is force, external force, which is denoted by capital F, and this work is said to be done. तेव्हा तुम्ही म्हणू शकतात की वर्क कार्य झालं आहे, work is done, and which is denoted by, we can calculate by using this formula. W is equal to F into D. W is equal to capital F into small d. F is nothing but a force, that is the external force, and small d is nothing but a displacement. Okay, now how we can measure the work? What is the unit to measure the work? Okay, so that unit we can calculate by taking one example. Let us consider that if a force of 5 Newton is applied to a object. Okay, हा मोबाईल आहे, हा मोबाईलला मी 5 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाय केला. Okay, let us consider that this is the object. Okay, and if we are planning to apply a force, okay, आणि किती फोर्स अप्लाय केला आपण? 5 न्यूटन. Okay, and it moves 2 meter from this position to this position. Okay, and they covered the distance is around 2 meter. The displacement is approximately around 2 meter. Then the work will be 5 Newton meter. Okay, because the force we can measure in terms of Newton and displacement we can measure in terms of meter. So that force means you have to put the 5 Newton instead of force, and you have to put 2 meter instead of displacement. So 5 into 2, 10. Okay, so work done is nothing but a 10 Newton per meter. Okay, so the unit is, to measure the work, the unit is Newton meter is the unit, and more precisely the SI unit is joule. Joule is the unit of work. To measure a work you can use a Newton meter, otherwise joule. For better understanding purposes, or we can say that for better clarification purposes, you have to use a joule as a unit to measure a work, because the SI unit is joule. Okay, SI unit काय आहे? joule आहे. So what is Newton meter and joule? 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Okay, so you can say that 1 joule is equal to Newton meter. तुम्ही या हे असं लिहू शकतात. ओके, असं पण लिहू शकतात 1 जूल, 1 J is equal to Newton dot small m. You can write in this way also. Fine. Okay, so let's move towards the next point. So, okay, so of course work is a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity. Keep in your mind that work is a scalar quantity and it has no direction of its own but a magnitude. It has no direction of its own but a magnitude, and SI unit of work is Newton meter or joule. Okay, Newton meter is also the unit of work, or joule is also the unit of work. Okay, fine. So now let's move towards the next slide. Okay, so I would like to explain here some important key points of work done. Okay, work done by a constant force. Okay, whenever you are planning to do some amount of work, तुम्ही कधीही काही कार्य करण्याचा प्लॅन करत आहात, at that time you have to apply a constant force. Okay, you have to apply a constant force. Second thing, the condition that there are some important condition, and the condition that need to be satisfied for work to be done. Okay, and force should be act on a object. तुम्ही जर constant force apply करत असाल, at that time you have to apply that particular force to a object. ओके, तुम्ही तो फोर्स कोणत्या तरी ऑब्जेक्ट वरती अप्लाय केलेला पाहिजे. ओके, कंडिशन काय त्याची, कंडिशन दॅट नीड टू बी सॅटिस्फाईड फॉर वर्क, दॅट फोर्स शुड बी अप्लाय टू ए ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, अँड द ऑब्जेक्ट मस्ट बी डिस्प्लेस्ड. ओके, that object should change their displacement, object should change their position from one position to another position. That is the second important point. And third one is the work done should be a zero work, should be a positive or should be a negative. Okay, work may be possible to do a zero work, maybe a positive work or maybe a negative work. आता झिरो वर्क म्हणजे काय, आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं होतं. ओके, झिरो वर्क मीन्स काय की तुम्ही एखादी वॉलला ढकलत आहात, you are planning to push a wall, but at that time wall does not change their position, does not displaced. Okay, it means zero work. Okay, you are applying the force. Okay, W is equal to force into displacement. Force तुम्ही apply करत आहात, but does not change the position by their particular wall. Okay, and due to that zero work was happening. So zero work, let us consider one example. If the angle between the force and displacement is 90 degree, okay, if suppose this is the object, okay, and if you are trying to push that object towards the upward direction, okay, and the displacement is nothing but a, here I have put the yes symbol, that is the displacement. Okay, if the angle between the force and displacement is 90 degree, okay, here this angle, this particular angle, that is the 90 degree. Okay, that is the 90 degree. If the angle between the force and displacement is 90 degree, then work done is said to be zero work. Let us consider one example. When a man carries a load on the hand, okay, in this way, मी लोड घेऊन चाललेलो आहे. When a man carries a load on his hand and moves on a level road, okay, आता मी एक फिक्स पोझिशन मध्ये एक वस्तू धरलेली आहे, ओके, आणि मी चालतोय. ओके, यावेळेस कॉन्स्टंट फोर्स अप्लाय झालेला आहे. वेन मॅन कॅरीज अ लोड ऑन हिज हँड अँड मूव्ह ऑन ए लेवल रोड, वर्क डन बाय द मॅन ऑन द लोड इज झिरो. ओके, बिकॉज मी हातात घेऊन वस्तू चाललेलो आहे. ओके, द डिस्प्लेसमेंट वॉज चेंज बट फोर्स इज कॉन्स्टंट. ओके, फोर्स इज झिरो. त्या वस्तूला मी फोर्स काय अप्लाय केलाय का, वरती असं करतोय का, किंवा मी त्याला पुश करतोय की ती वस्तू, तर नाही. ओके, दॅट मीन्स force is zero and then displacement was changed, and if the force is zero and whatever amount of displacement was covered, that is 2 meter 3 meter, so 0 into 2 meter is always zero, that is the zero work. Okay, so now second is the positive work. Okay, second one is the positive work. Okay, so let us consider that the initial position here, this is the box. Okay, this is the initial position, and if you push the particular object, okay, in a straight line, work done is said to be a positive if the force is applied on a object and displacement are in the same direction. Displacement ज्या डायरेक्शनला तुम्ही ते ऑब्जेक्ट पुश करतात, ज्या डायरेक्शनला तुम्ही फोर्स अप्लाय करत आहात, त्या सेम डायरेक्शनला ऑब्जेक्ट जे आहे ते मूव्ह होत आहे. ओके, and it's changed the initial position to the final position. It means the work was done, that is the whatever the work was calculated by using that value, that work was came in the positive way. So that is nothing but a positive work. Okay, so suppose you are applying the 10 Newton force, okay, and here the distance was covered around the 5 meter. Okay, so tell me that how much amount of work was done. तुम्ही त्या इनिशियल पोझिशनला 10 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाय केला आणि ती इनिशियल पोझिशनची जी ऑब्जेक्ट आहे ती 5 मीटर एवढी डिस्प्लेस्ड झाली. सो हाऊ मच अमाऊंट ऑफ वर्क वॉज डन? किती वर्क डन झालं? टेल मी इनसाइड द चॅट बॉक्स. किती वर्क डन झालं? Manjushri, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. That is 50 Newton meter. That much amount of work was done. Okay, it means otherwise 50 joule. That much amount of work was done. Okay, आणि 50 न्यूटन मीटर किंवा 50 जूल हे जे काही आन्सर आलेलं ते पॉझिटिव्ह मध्ये आलेलं आहे. इट मीन्स दी पॉझिटिव्ह वर्क वॉज डन. ओके, दी पॉझिटिव्ह वर्क वॉज डन. Okay, so let us consider one more negative work example. Negative work means what? Work done is said to be negative. When work done is said to be negative, if the applied force on an object and displacement are in a opposite direction. If you push the object, okay, but the displacement was ट्रॅव्हल इन अ निगेटिव्ह डायरेक्शन. ओके, तुम्ही या डायरेक्शनला पुश केलं पण डिस्प्लेसमेंट या डायरेक्शनला झालं. इट मीन्स here displacement taken in a negative side or negative direction. It means the work was done in a negative side. Okay, the work done is a negative. The negative, that is the negative work. Okay, let us consider the example that work done by friction force is usually negative on a moving body. Okay, if suppose work done by a friction force is usually negative on a moving body. If suppose this is the body is moving continuously on a road, okay, and some amount of friction force was applied, काहीतरी घर्षण होत असेल त्या बॉडीची, ओके, त्याच्यात फोर्स काय होतोय, लॉस होतोय. ओके, and that force is in a negative side, that is nothing but a W is equal to minus FD. You can consider that instead of ES you can put as a D. ES is the displacement, or you can say W is equal to, just a minute, W is equal to minus capital F D, that is the negative work. Okay, I hope that you might be clear the concept of work, unit, formula, some important point, that is zero work means what, positive work means what, negative work means what. Okay, so I hope that you might be enjoy the concept of work. समजलं का तुम्हाला? समजलं इथपर्यंत? Okay, fine. Okay, so now only 2 minutes are remaining. Okay, so I am planning to stop here our today's lecture. So today we will stop here and we will meet once again by tomorrow morning. Okay,